This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make mango wine. First, select about 5 pounds of ripe mangoes, ensuring they are sweet and fragrant. Peel and pit them, then chop the flesh into small pieces. Next, prepare your sugar solution by dissolving 2 pounds of sugar in 1 gallon of warm water. This mixture forms the base for your delicious homemade wine. Remember to sanitize all your equipment thoroughly before starting. Now, let's get to the fermentation. Transfer your chopped mangoes into a sanitized primary fermenter. Pour in the sugar-water solution, then add your wine yeast and 1 teaspoon of yeast nutrient. Stir everything well to combine. Seal the fermenter with an airlock, allowing carbon dioxide to escape while keeping oxygen out. Keep the fermenter in a stable environment, ideally between 68 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 7 to 10 days. After the initial vigorous fermentation, it's time to rack your wine. Carefully siphon the liquid from the primary fermenter into a clean, sanitized secondary fermenter, leaving all the sediment behind. This process, called racking, helps clarify the wine and prevents unwanted flavors. Seal the secondary fermenter with an airlock and allow the wine to age for at least 3 months. Patience is key here, as aging significantly enhances the mango wine's character and smoothness. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for, bottling your homemade mango wine. Ensure all your bottles and corks are perfectly sanitized. Carefully siphon the clear wine into each bottle, leaving about 1 inch of headspace. Cork the bottles securely and store them upright for a few days, then on their sides in a cool, dark place. Your delicious mango wine is now ready to be enjoyed or aged further. For more great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.